Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the Dino Cube. Before we get started, I hope you hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. The Dino Cube is a Skewb variant, which means that it's a corner turning puzzle instead of a face turning puzzle like the 3x3. The pieces turn using the same algorithmic notations. As an example, that's R and that's L. Knowing how to solve the Skewb would be helpful but not required to solve this puzzle. In case you need it, I've placed a link to my tutorial on it in the description below. Okay, let's scramble this up. Alright, the puzzle is now scrambled. We'll start with solving the white layer. Pick any piece you want to start with. The rest of them will be placed around that piece. I'm going to start with the red and white piece. Look around the puzzle, and here we have the red and white, and here we go. It's now placed. Placing the rest of the pieces won't be quite so simple. So what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be placing the white and blue piece here because the color scheme is the same as it is on a 3x3. So let's take a look around for the white and blue. That is right here. So what you need to do is you need to bring it down here below where it needs to be placed, and the white is going to have to be on the bottom. So let's just bring that over like so, and there we go. It is now below where it needs to go, and the white is on the bottom. Hold the puzzle like this, and you're going to perform this algorithm. R prime, D, R. And that piece has now been placed. Next, we're going to be placing the orange because orange is going to be going opposite of red. The orange and white is right here, so we're going to be doing the same thing. Going to be bringing it down like so. So it is below where it needs to go, and the white is facing down like so. And we'll be repeating that algorithm. R prime, D, R. And the white and orange is now in place. And finally, we'll be doing the white and green, which is right here. And we're going to be doing the same thing, just bring it over like so. So it is below where it needs to go, and the white is facing down, and we'll be repeating the same algorithm. R prime, D, R. And that piece is now placed, and the white layer is now solved. Next, we'll solve the middle layer. Turn the puzzle over. There are 5 cases you can get. I will go over each in turn. We have this piece here, which is the orange and green, and it needs to go here, and it's on the correct corner where it needs to go, and it's correctly oriented. So all I need to do here is just simply rotate the corner and put the piece into place. Here you have one piece that is one space away from where it needs to go. This is blue and red. It needs to go here, and it's flipped. As you can see, if you went and just simply place this here, the blue would be here, the red would be here. Now this can happen on either the left or the right. I'll be going over each. In this case, it's on the left, and what you'll be doing is performing this algorithm. R, L prime, R prime, L. And as you can see, the piece has been placed. Here you have the piece that is one space away from its destination, and it's flipped. In this case, it's on the right. So place it like it is here and perform this algorithm. L prime, R, L, R. As you can see, that piece has been placed. Here we have a piece that is 2 spaces from its destination. And the way you can tell is you've got the red and green here, and that is red and green. And this can be placed on either the left or the right. And we're going to start with doing the example on the left, and we're going to be performing this algorithm. The Y is turning the entire puzzle 1/4 turn clockwise. R, L prime, R prime, L, Y, hold on, stick in here, R, L prime, R prime, L. As you can see, the piece has been placed. And in this case, the piece is now on the right instead of the left, and again is 2 spaces away from its destination slot and is correctly oriented. To place the piece, you will perform this algorithm. The Y prime turns the puzzle counterclockwise, 1/4 turn. L prime, R, L, R prime, Y prime, L prime, R, L, R prime. As you can see, the piece has been placed. Here we have a piece that is not on its correct corner to bring it to its destination. It should be over here. To place the piece, first rotate it down into the middle layer, like so. That brings it 1 place away from where it needs to go, and it is flipped. Also, we have this piece that was here has been knocked out of its spot. Now, this can either happen on the left or the right, and we will do each in turn. In this case, it's on the right, so we are going to now, since we've rotated it into position, we're going to do this algorithm to place the piece. L prime, R, L, R prime. Now, as you can see, this piece has been placed, and the piece that had been displaced has been put back in its location. Here we have our piece that is on the wrong corner on the left. It should be in this corner, but it's not. So, same as before, going to bring this down, so it's now 1 spot away from where it needs to go, and it's flipped. The piece that was solved over here has now been displaced. That'll be fixed in a moment. Place this on the left and perform this algorithm. R, L prime, R prime, L. And this piece has now been placed, and the displaced piece has been put back into its location. Here we have our piece that's on the wrong corner, which should be here. However, instead of having the solved piece, the orange and green here, it's actually over here where this piece is supposed to go. So you can have 2 instances. You can have it either on the left or the right. We're going to be starting on the left. If you have it where you have the piece you're trying to solve is on the left and the opposite piece is on the right, like so, perform this algorithm. R, L, R prime. And what that does is it solves both pieces. Here we have the case where the piece that is on the wrong corner is on the right, and the piece that would normally be here that's solved is on the left. Place the puzzle like this and perform this algorithm. L prime, R prime, L. And both pieces are now solved. Okay, we've gone through all the cases, and we have 1 piece left to place, which is the red and blue, and we'll be using the first case to solve that last one and bring it over like so, and the second layer is now solved. Lastly, we will solve the yellow layer. You should have 1 piece that is solved, which is this one here, and the other 3 are not. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the solved piece and place it in the back. Then we're going to take a look at the other 3 pieces and see which one has the furthest to travel to get to its destination. And in this case, it is the blue, because the blue has to go from here to here, which is 2 spaces. This can either happen on either the left or the right. I will be going over both cases. In this case, it's on the left, so place it like this and perform this algorithm to complete the solve. R prime, L, R, L prime. And as you can see, the puzzle is solved. And if that algorithm looked familiar, it is. It is the sledgehammer algorithm that is usually used with the Skewb. All right, in this case, we have our solved piece on the back, and we're going to take a look here. And in this instance, this is the piece that is going to be going the furthest, which is green will be going over to here, and this is on the right this time. So hold the puzzle like this and perform this algorithm to complete the solve. L, R prime, L prime, R. And the puzzle is now solved. And there you have it, a tutorial on how to solve the Dino Cube. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.